The ultimate Alanduo reviews tutorial from 0 to pro in 1 minute. If you're looking for quality products online, most people get this wrong by buying without checking reviews or authenticity. The surprising truth about Alanduo is that it offers verified products across categories with customer insights, making shopping safer and smarter. First, visit the Alanduo website. You won't believe how organized it is. Browse by category and check product descriptions carefully to understand features, specs and benefits. Next, read customer reviews. Most people get this wrong by skimming them. Alanduo provides verified feedback, including pros, cons, and real user experiences, helping you make informed decisions. Check return and warranty policies. The surprising truth is that these protect your investment. Alanduo clearly lists returns, exchanges, and warranties, giving you confidence in every purchase. Compare prices and shipping options. You won't believe how often buyers miss cost-saving opportunities. Alanduo shows transparent pricing, including shipping and handling, so you can plan effectively. In conclusion, Alanduo can take you from 0 to pro in online shopping. By browsing carefully, reading verified reviews, understanding returns, and comparing prices, you can shop smart, avoid risks, and get the best value for your money.